Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Power off the phone and remove the SIM tray before starting any repair. Clear a clean workspace with good light and a small container for screws. Heat the screen edge gently using a hair dryer or heat gun on low for about 60 seconds to soften adhesive. Use a 0.5mm plastic pick to probe the gap and confirm the lifting direction. Take a photo of the screen and frame alignment for reassembly reference. Keep screws and parts labeled to avoid confusion during reinstallation. Place a suction cup near the warmed edge and lift gently to create a small gap. Insert a 0.5mm plastic pick and slide it slowly around the perimeter to separate adhesive. Remove any visible bracket screws using a PH000 or T3 screwdriver and store each screw labeled. Open the screen like a book, mindful of top or side hinges based on model. Use a non-metal spudger to disconnect the display flex cables carefully from their sockets. Avoid bending or stressing the battery or cables during this process for safety. Remove old adhesive residue with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth until clean. Fit new pre-cut adhesive or thin 3M adhesive strips to the frame, aligning every cutout and port carefully. Reconnect display flex cables and resecure bracket screws in their labeled locations before closing the screen. Press the screen down evenly from one edge to the other to avoid trapping air bubbles. Clamp or place gentle weights over the device for 24 hours to ensure a full bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.